Are you tired of struggling with tough grass and uneven lawns? Meet the customized remote control flail mower, your ultimate lawn care powerhouse. Powered by a coupe diesel engine and advanced brushless motor, this mower offers unmatched durability and efficiency. With cutting widths up to 120 centimeters and adjustable cutting height from 2 to 20 centimeters, you get precision and performance every time. Its remote control system keeps you at a safe distance, while the self-propelled 4-stroke design handles even the toughest terrains with ease. Whether you're maintaining a backyard, farm, or a DIY landscaping project, this mower is built for you. Upgrade your lawn care today. Click the link in the description and get yours now.